Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? It's Dave. Welcome back to my channel. You know how I've been going through some stuff at my home office, around the house, you know, that honey-do list crap, and I came up with another gift that Danny gave me, you know, the one that gave me the fart book. I don't know if I used them by name, but Danny gave me the fart book. Check this out. Whoa, baby. You know, I know what you're thinking. It's one of those repeat parakeets. Hey, matey, what's up? Hey, what are you doing? But let's see what my little parakeet has to say.
What? Who's a fucker then? Who's a fucker then? What? Polly wants a fucking cracker. Polly wants a fucking cracker. Give Polly a fucking cracker now. What? Hey, baby, show us your tits. Hey, you! Go fuck yourself! What? What? Nobody loves you! What? Everybody hates you! What?
I can't believe it.
Come closer! Come closer! Scratch Polly's ass! What? 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 Who's a fucker then? Who's a fucker then? What? What? Polly wants a fucking cracker! Polly wants a fucking cracker! Give Polly a fucking cracker now! What? Hey, baby, show us your tits!
I guess that's all of them. I'm pretty sure. I lost track.
Polly wants a blowjob!
Yeah, this is it.
I feel good!
Now, for all of you that say this is politically incorrect, you know, it probably is today, but I don't know. He may have given this to me 10, 12, 15 years ago. I don't know, but I must be that immature. I think it's freaking hysterical. So that's about it for today. Have a great day, great night. Whenever the hell you're watching this, be well, stay safe, and hopefully I get to see you all again real soon. Polly says, peace out.